What if I told you that one of the world's biggest food brands was created by a man who was rejected 1,009 times? What if success came after the age of 65? And what if failure followed someone their entire life, yet they still refuse to quit? Today's story is not just about fried chicken. It's about persistence, belief, and never giving up, even when the world tells you no again and again. This is the unbelievable story of Colonel Harland Sanders, the founder of KFC. Harland David Sanders was born in 1890 in rural Indiana, USA. His life started with hardship. At the age of just 6 years old, his father passed away. This forced young Harland to grow up fast. His mother worked long hours, and Harland had to take responsibility for his younger siblings. That's when he learned something that would later change his life forever: cooking. While other children played, Harland cooked meals for his family. School never worked out for him. He dropped out at an early age and started working odd jobs just to survive. From a very young age, life taught him one lesson clearly. Backhand index pointing right, nothing would come easy. Before KFC, Sanders failed a lot. He worked as a farmhand, a streetcar conductor, a railroad fireman, an insurance salesman, a lawyer, yes, briefly. But here's the truth. He failed at almost all of them. Some jobs fired him. Some businesses collapsed. Some ideas simply didn't work. By his 40s and 50s, most people would have given up. But Sanders kept moving forward, not because he was lucky, but because he refused to quit. In the 1930s, Sanders opened a small gas station in Kentucky. To earn extra money, he started cooking meals for hungry travelers. No fancy restaurant, no big investment, just a kitchen and passion. His fried chicken became popular because it tasted different. He spent years perfecting his secret blend of 11 herbs and spices. People didn't just stop for gas anymore. They stopped for his chicken. For the first time, things were working. Just when life seemed stable, disaster struck. A new highway was built, and it bypassed his restaurant. No traffic, no customers, no income. At the age of 65, Sanders lost almost everything. Imagine that. No steady job, no savings, living off a small Social Security check. Most people would retire, but Sanders did the opposite. He made the bravest decision of his life. At 65 years old, Sanders packed his car. He drove from restaurant to restaurant, pitching one simple idea: backhand index pointing right. Use my fried chicken recipe. You pay me a small royalty per piece sold. Sounds reasonable, right? But restaurant owners didn't think so. They said, "No one wants this. It won't sell. We already have our menu." He was rejected again and again and again, 1,009 times. Imagine hearing "no" more than 1,000 times, yet still knocking on the next door. That's not luck. That's belief. Finally, one restaurant owner said yes. That single yes changed everything. The chicken sold incredibly well. Word spread fast. More restaurants joined. More franchises opened. That small recipe turned into a massive brand. Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. Sanders became the face of the company. His white suit, black tie, and calm smile became iconic. Success didn't come early. It came because he never quit. Colonel Sanders didn't just build a company. He proved something powerful. Age doesn't define success. Failure doesn't mean the end. Rejection doesn't mean stop. Your breakthrough might be one try away. Most people quit at rejection number 3. He kept going till 1009. So the next time you feel too old, too tired, too rejected, remember this story. If Colonel Sanders could succeed after 65, after a lifetime of failure, after 1009 rejections, so can you. Don't quit. Your story isn't over yet. If this story inspired you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more real-life success stories.